I'm sure as things return back to normal, that traveling is top of your mind. But are you tired of not traveling because airline tickets are sky high? This month, multiple airlines have released forecasts that predict better than expected travel demand for 2023, and that means sky high ticket prices. Today, I'll walk you through how my wife and I always get buy one get one free flights using the Southwest Companion Pass to help us travel more. Welcome to our channel where we share our tips to live a life of luxury for less. As always, I'm going to remove all of the complexity to share with you our travel tips and how to actually do it with step-by-step recordings on the website. We use the Southwest Companion Pass to allow us to buy one get one free flights to anywhere that Southwest flies. Here's an example of where we flew from San Jose, California to Hawaii for the very low cost of nothing, where we just had to pay the security fee of $11.20. As you can see the benefits, this is for a round-trip flight, so it saves us a lot of money when we get those buy one get one free flights. My ticket price at the time cost $314, so if we combine both of our ticket prices, that's a little over $150 for us to fly to Hawaii and back. Each companion pass lasts for the remainder of the year and a full year after that. If it's January 2023, that means that we get it sometime here. We get the remaining months as well as the full calendar year of 2024. This is awesome because you can repeat this every 2 years. This will be the third year that my wife and I do this, as we split the companion pass every 2 years. You can watch our other video where I go over the high-level overview of all of the benefits from the companion pass and the Chase Ultimate rewards and how we use them both to get travel perks. I'll leave a link in the description. But right now, I want to just cut to the chase on how you can quickly earn the Companion Pass. If you look on Southwest's website, there are many hard ways to earn the Companion Pass. You can fly 100 qualifying one-way flights or earn 135,000 qualifying points while flying. That's going to be hard for most people. How we do it is we just get 2 credit cards. You're going to get one of these personal cards, and then you're going to get a business card. And don't worry, any individual can qualify for a business card even if you don't have a business. I'll show you next how to apply for the business card even if you don't have a business. Combining both of these cards will earn you 135,000 bonus points, which will take you all the way to quickly earning that Companion Pass. Now let's go to the website and actually apply for the card. You'll see that it asks for personal info. I'm going to give examples of what info to put in, but this is all dummy data. To save you time, I'm going to speed it up and concentrate on the fields that are the most important. The tip here is, as an individual, you're going to choose owner. Go ahead and fill out all of your personal information. For the address field, you're going to want to put in your home address. You can enter your Rapid Rewards number from Southwest here, or if you don't have one, they'll automatically make one for you. Now we're at the important piece where people get tripped up that they don't have a business. It's okay. Go ahead and select a sole proprietorship, which means that you're an individual. You'll go ahead and use your first and last name as your legal name. Enter your first and last name again for desired business name on card. For your DBA, go ahead and select no. For EIN, because you're an individual, you're going to go ahead and select Social Security number and enter your SSN. You'd select that your business is yes, the same as your personal address. Enter in 1 for number of employees. For business established date, just pick a date in the past. Here I'll choose a date from 2017. For annual business revenue, go ahead and put in the same number as your income. You can choose whatever business category you'd like. For business type, you'd do the same, just pick something. Then choose a business subtype. Leave the NAICS code blank. For estimated monthly spend, just put in what you normally spend on your credit cards. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then you'll go ahead and click submit. Congrats, you've been approved. Now you'd go through and do the same thing for a personal card. You can scroll to the bottom to see the comparison between the different cards. Keep in mind they all give you the same amount of points that you're going to need to qualify, but they all have different annual fees and different perks. We went for this one with the highest annual fees because we wanted all of the extra perks. Comment below if you'd like to see me make a comparison of all of the different credit cards offered. One tip to keep in mind is beware of the Chase 524 rule. This rule applies to anybody who applied and got 5 or more credit cards in the last 24 months, which means that Chase will automatically deny your credit card application. When you do this, make sure you haven't gotten more than 5 credit cards within the last 24 months, even if they're not with Chase. When my wife applied on our second try, we got this screen which said that the personal card was pending even though we got the business card approved. We ended up giving it a couple days, then calling into Chase and speaking to a representative who helped push the application through, and we got it approved. The next tip is, timing is very important. For instance, if you wanted the companion pass for this year, it's important to make sure that you qualify and then get everything in order so that you can have the pass for all of 2023 and all of 2024. Now to time that, what you want to do is you want to open the cards roughly around October, and then it's going to take time for them to send it to your place, and then it'll take time for you to spend the money on there as well. Each card has a minimum spend. With your personal, you have to spend $1,000, and then with your business, you have to spend $5,000. You're going to want to time it so that you don't spend the $1,000 or $5,000 until your statement closes post-December, because the second that your statement closes and you make that spend, you're rewarded those reward points. But if you get it too early, your companion pass will start in 2022 instead of 2023 like you want. That means that you'll only get, for instance, December if you qualify and the remaining of 2023, versus if you timed it and you got it on January, you would get all of 2023 and all of 2024. Again, this is a very important concept, so we want to make sure that you know it thoroughly. That's how my wife and I always get buy one get one free flights to hack our flight costs. Let us know in the comments below if this is something you want to try or how it worked out for you. We love helping you reach all of your travel goals while keeping your hard-earned money in your pocket. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest videos and travel adventures. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.